Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have another product review. I picked up two of these colors here. These are brand new from Schmincke. They are the Aqua drops. I don't remember exactly. I think there was about like 24 different colors to choose from. But again, these are like highly concentrated watercolors. And I got indigo and ruby red. And there is some writing on the bottles, but it is all in German, so I'm not quite sure what that says, but I'm going to continue on with the review and share some of my thoughts here. I did go ahead and create this little doodle here. It's just an easy like crescent moon there and some florals around it with some leaves, and down bottom this is obviously, this one's a little bit more intense with the indigo like straight from the bottle, and then of course you can water it down a little bit and get various shades. And this purple color is the two mixed together. So depending on how many colors you buy, you can always experiment and make some of your own colors. So you can see that they did blend really easily. I left some of the texture like that on purpose because I do enjoy the way it looks, and especially for the moon here. You can see how well they layer on top of each other. And again, this one got a little mixed with indigo. That flower was red in the beginning. And again with the light and darks, there you can see on the dish how intense they really are when they come straight out. And then again I mixed that little purple there. Overall I really do like these. This is my first time using these from the Schmincke, and I think I've had like a generic brand before, but these are definitely nicer and higher quality. I bought mine from the Jackson's website, and I'm pretty sure like the light fast information, everything was really good. And next up I'm going to insert some footage here of me actually using the colors during my little, I didn't record the whole thing so it's not quite a tutorial, but if you wanted to see the colors in action, I'm going to insert that now. And if anyone is interested, I did buy mine from Jackson's Art, and I'm also an affiliate. If anyone wants to, they can feel free to use my link. If it's your first time ordering, you can receive 10% off your order. And it does include, even if something's on sale, it doesn't matter.